Hi, Julian here from the SERP.NET team. In this video, I'm going to do a quick demo of Competitor Citations, which is a tool that allows you to compare the citations of any local business listed in Google versus their top competitors. This means you might find sites or directories where top competitors are listed and where your local business isn't. In other words, citation opportunities. I say your local business, but it doesn't need to be yours, of course. It can be your clients, a prospects, a competitors, there is no limit. The idea behind this tool is to help you find out where you should get listed for more exposure, better local rankings, and ultimately more business. So let's get started. Competitor Citations is accessible from the Tools menu here under the SEO Analysis category. If you open Competitor Citation for the very first time, you will be invited to run your first search. If you already ran a search in the past, like in my case here, you will see your search history, as well as a blue plus button here at the top right. Click it to perform another search. You will then see a search form that you must fill out. Enter a name for your report, enter a search keyword, enter a search location, select a version of Google, google.com for example, or google.ca, google.co.uk, and so on. Then you must decide on your final search phrase. So plumber Boston for example, or Boston plumber, plumber in Boston, plumber near Boston, or you can enter your own here. For this example, we'll select plumber Boston. Then you have two options. GMB business, to select a Google My Business account you previously connected to in Site Manager, or custom business, to enter the details of any business listed in Google's local results. Just to confirm, by Google's local results, I'm referring to the local results you get by searching for a keyword like plumber Boston, for example. So these ones here. And you can view more local results by clicking on the More Businesses link here. In both cases, here, make sure the business name, country, state, if required, and city name are exactly as shown in Google's local results. So here the city is not Boston but Quincy. Then select the category or categories you are interested in. So any category, general, tradesmen. Finally, click on Schedule a Report. This search will take a few minutes and you will be notified with an internal notification when the report is ready. Alright, we're back. Here is the internal notification I was referring to. The report is ready, so let's click on it. So on the results page, you will see where the top 5 local businesses for the keyword you entered are listed, in which sites and directories. Your local business is highlighted in blue. And if it's not in the top 5 results yet, you will see a 6th column, like in my example here. If you hover over the numbers here, you will see more information, the business name, location, number of listings, and so on. So there are two possible cases. If the local business is listed in a site or category, you will see a View Listing button on the right, like here. So you can check it out and maybe make a few improvements. And if the local business isn't listed in a site or category, you will see a Create Listing button, like here. So you can click on it to sign up and get listed for more exposure. And if you hover over the ticks here, you can see the URLs, and you can also click on them to view the listings. And you can, of course, sort results by business. So for example, here we can see that most of the competitors are listed in super pages, but my business isn't. So that's how you can find citation opportunities and get listed on sites and directories where your competitors are already listed, which will help you get more exposure, higher local rankings, and ultimately get more business. Please note you also have the option to export your results in the form of a CSV file by clicking on the button here. Alright, that's it for this video. If you have any questions or need any help, or would like to suggest a site or directory that is not integrated yet, don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly support team at getsupport@serp.net.